Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. I'm Tegan.
I'm Olivia.
And we're missing Kira, but sadly
They ask you how you are, you just have...
I'm Tegan.
I'm Olivia. Okay.
That's like a Muppet.
Kira's gone.
Kira's gone. That's
Yeah.
it. If you want us to do a story time on what happened to Kira, comment down below.
So Kira may be coming back for
As a guest,
yeah,
but
for a
she
couple
has
videos.
she has
some important things to do.
yeah,
with life.
separate priorities at the minute.
Yes.
So
It'll just be us.
yeah, it's
Hope
just
we don't
me.
mind.
If you're here for Kira,
Go check out her.
Stay subscribed.
No. Go check out her
Instagram,
her gymnastics Instagram
account.
and her gymnastics YouTube
Yeah.
channel.
I'll link them
Get
down
her those
below.
likes.
So we needed a new name instead of TKO, even though that was pretty cool because it was Tegan, Kira, Olivia,
Which is pretty
TKO, Total Knockout. We were pretty smart about that. And comment down below what our name should be.
Yeah. Right
I
now
guess.
it's just Tegan Olivia.
Oh, today we went thrift shopping.
Value Village.
Value Village. If you don't know what that is, go search it. No, it's Value Village, okay?
We're going to be DIYing.
We're gonna be DIYing / altering our clothes. How to make your thrift haul better.
Okay.
Oh. Here's our stuff we got from Value Village.
That's what we got. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I got a pair of shoes. They're pretty high, but
That sounds like
one of them was missing. She
We'll
convinced me
decide.
to buy it, and she was like, "It looks so good long." Yes, a long skirt. I bought it, and now she's like, "Cut it, cut it."
looks.
Guess I'm cutting it. Cuff? Cuff necks? I don't know. What do you call them? So just a quick how to thrift shop. Literally,
Go to the boys section.
Type of
collared shirts
are kind of a strange material, but and you try them on, and they're definitely oversized because they're men's. I
And you
think
kind of
these are-
want them like
they're
that.
typically
you know?
all
That's why I like them.
mediums. Yeah, all of mine are
the extra large.
all of mine are mediums. And then you just basically crop it. No,
If
basically
you buy it too
you
small,
just
you can't crop it. Cause
yeah,
it's only gonna be up
but
here.
basically the crop isn't even. It's not even a under the boob crop. It's literally a.
Well, you can make it that if you want.
But when I say crop, I literally mean just snip off that much of the bottom because it's
so it kind of
way
lines
too
up with your
long.
jeans.
And to find those, literally go to a thrift store and go into the men's section. The big there's typically a bunch more racks of men's shirts than girls, and just keep flipping through them, and you'll find a bunch of plain ones or ones that have less design or just a cooler design. I don't really have that much style. I don't think either of us do. So if you don't,
have your own
if you
style.
don't think that these are stylish and these aren't popular, no hate, please. No hate, please. I got it's a white fabric pencil so that it actually goes on your clothes. See, if you want it like this, then you. But I want my flub inside my shirt. Basically, and boom. And then, yeah. So you can use
Okay.
You can use a ruler if you want.
Whip out those snippers.
And cut.
Doesn't even look.
Pull it taut. You pull it taut. Boom, it rolls.
Place it on the ground. Now it's even. Oh, what you want. And the purpose of this design is so that at the back you can show a bralette or just your bare back.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to do a straight line across the upper back. We're going to do the second line however wide you want it.
Alright, so then you go ahead and cut. From the far line to the close line. Down.
I can still wear it. I can still wear it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And this is the final look. So it's a tad bit big. those are the two styles that we are going to show you for the shirts.
Just pause it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Okay, so if you guys want your shirts to look like a tad bit better than that, then you know how, okay, so cut the top line and then cut the bottom line, but instead of straight across and then cutting it like that, what she should have done to make it a little smaller and not so droopy, it won't droop if you do this, you cut it, so instead of just like cut, boom, you just like, you cut a little scoop and then you're set. So, don't do what she just did, because obviously she was not too impressed.
Just pause it.
Okay, for this shirt, all I'm gonna do is cut off this part so that when if I tuck it in, it's not gonna be as bulgy as it would be, because we don't want anything. Okay guys, remember that you can always cut more than you can't go back on yourself, so if I end up wanting to crop this shirt later, then I can, because I didn't crop it up to here. Okay, so, and as I say guys, you can always cut off more later. I don't know, we're gonna try that on. So that's my skirt, pretty much just cut it off. If I do fray it, or like after I put it in the wash probably, and like maybe do a little bit more of this probably, so yeah. Ew, why am I so awkward? Is this seriously what I consider less awkward? Outfit of the day, no one actually cares because we're not famous enough. Yeah, we actually
And our buy.
So now we are doing some before and after shots. You're welcome.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try, and hopefully this works out. We're gonna cut it in half and use 1 and 1 right in the hole. Now I'm gonna feed it through however I want and then get back to you. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. They have 2 straps. Yeah, so we look good and fresh. So, why am I?
The end of our video. If you have any questions about your thrifting experiences in the future,
Or about our
comment about
missing
it.
person.
Yeah.
Comment.
R.I.P. Kira.
Follow Instagram. Go follow Kira's gymnastics Instagram. Go follow my YouTube. Go follow.
We'll leave that all in the description below. Everybody was for the stomach. Everybody was coming. It's so weird.
And this now.
I don't get what there is to get.
Later, alligator.